Good morning, children. Welcome to the next session of English. Autobiography of a Great Indian Bustard. In the previous session, we have studied the eating habits and some other features of the Great Indian Bustard. In this session, we will study some other features of the Great Indian Bustard, the reasons for their decreasing number of population, and the measures to be taken to protect this endangered bird species. Children, I will read the next paragraph. You may have heard about a great human friend of ours, Dr. Salim Ali. He had even suggested that we should be given the status of the national bird of our country, but the honor went to our beautiful relative, the peacock. I am happy to tell you that I am the state bird of Rajasthan. We have got 10 sanctuaries for our protection, but sadly our number is still going down. We used to live in all parts of India, but slowly the growing population of man pushed us away from more than 90% of our home regions. We are afraid of hunters that kill us for fun. We also die due to electric power lines that we can't see while flying. We are losing our homes. Today, only the last 200 of us are left in the world. We need your support and love in order to survive. Can you help us? Children, the bustard is asking us whether we have heard about a great human friend of theirs, Dr. Salim Ali. Let me introduce Dr. Salim Ali. He was a naturalist and an expert in the scientific study of birds. He was sometimes referred to as the Birdman of India. Salim Ali was the first Indian to conduct systematic bird surveys across India and has written several books on birds. He had suggested that the Indian bustard should be given the status of the national bird of our country. The meaning of the word status here is an accepted or official position. But the honor went to their beautiful relative, the peacock. The meaning of the word honor here is respect. Even if it was not given the status of the national bird of our country, it is very happy to tell us that it is the state bird of Rajasthan. Children, do you know which is the state bird of Maharashtra? Yes, it is the green pigeon, means hariyal. It is a kind of a pigeon. In the slide you can see two types of pigeons. First one is the wild pigeon, which is grey in color, and the other is hariyal, which is green in color. There are 10 sanctuaries reserved for the protection of the great Indian bustard. The meaning of the word sanctuary is an area of land for birds and animals where they are protected and cannot be hunted. But it is very sad to say that their number is still going down, means decreasing. As the climate of our country is favorable for the great Indian bustard, it was found almost in all parts of India. But unfortunately, the growing population of man has pushed them away from more than 90% of their home regions. Some people, means the hunters, kill them just for fun and so they are afraid of them. The other cause or reason of the death of the great Indian bustard is the inability to see the power lines while flying. Because of all these reasons, they are losing their homes. At present, the only last 200 of them are left in the world. The bird needs support, help and love in order to survive. The meaning of the word survive is to continue to live. It is asking us whether we can help them, expecting a positive response, isn't it? Yes. Now I will read the last paragraph. You can write letters to your leaders and make an appeal to help us. You can make my drawing and submit it to your teacher. You can discuss this with your parents. Come to see us at a sanctuary, because now you will not see us in other places. And who knows, if humans don't help us, none of us will be left on the earth. You will only see us in pictures. Now I will explain the paragraph. It is suggesting us to write letters to our leaders and make an appeal to help them. The meaning of the word appeal is to make a serious, urgent or heartfelt request. The great Indian bustard is asking you to make its drawing and submit it to your teacher. It is further suggesting you to discuss their problems with your parents. The great Indian bustard is appealing you to go and see them at the sanctuary, because they will not be seen in other places. It is afraid that if humans don't help them, none of them will be left on the earth. It is also afraid that the next generation would see them just in the pictures. Children, as responsible citizens, we should definitely take some measures to prevent this endangered species of the great Indian bustard from getting extinct. I hope you all enjoyed the autobiography of the great Indian bustard and learned many interesting facts about it. Thank you. Stay safe.